sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. I'm so excited to share with you guys my full college bedroom tour today. I am going to make a separate video for my apartment tour, but stay tuned for that. I really waited this long because I really just wanted to make sure this was exactly how I wanted it to be. I'm going to be staying here for like the next this year and next year, so the next 2 years, basically until I graduate. So this is like my sanctuary until I start my next chapter of my life. So I really just wanted to go all out and just make this as comfortable and beautiful as possible, and I'm incredibly thankful and grateful with how it turned out. So without further ado, welcome to my college bedroom tour. Alrighty, so when you first walk in, I have my nice TV stand over here with this beautiful bling bling mural artwork, or whatever you want to call it, right here over the wall. So the cool thing about my room, when I originally moved in, I had no idea it was literally going to be this much room. So you guys know I stayed in a dorm for about 2 years, and I was, you know, kind of limited with what I could actually put in the room. So I actually didn't have enough stuff to fill this room when I first moved in, so hence the long awaited video debut. So I definitely took time with purchasing more things to add to the room, and one of it was definitely this TV stand. So originally I wanted to have this TV mounted on the wall, but because the way my room is laid out and the way that the bed sits on this side, I just decided to go with like a little TV stand, and I honestly wasn't too sold on this. I wanted something else, but this will suffice for now. Like, again, I'm going to be staying here for 2 years, so things could possibly be tweaked throughout this room. And the other cool thing I really liked about this apartment was these built-in shelves. Like, I really love this. I just think it looks extremely nice over the desk. It's very unique. It gives you, you know, space to have a lot of things displayed, and so that is exactly what I have here. The gold K that I've had since my freshman year. You guys are familiar with these two if you've watched me for a while. These two canvas arts. I was originally going to hang these up as well, but I liked how they kind of sat on the shelves like so. And then these two large square boxes up here, or storage bins. I purchased those from Walmart, and they were really cute. I believe they were like $10 each. I just really like the gold tassel and well, the gold and pink tassel on there, and I have my old jewelry box up there just as decoration. It is kind of like super large. They're like larger than normal orange, not orange, square bins that I've seen before, so they kind of hang off a little bit, but I mean, it kind of works. So yeah. And then over here, my desk, under here I have where I put all my packages under there. There are going to be a lot of PR unboxings on my channel soon, so stay tuned for that. And I still have pretty much the same desk accessories that I've had since freshman year. I just incorporated a nice little photo album. I really love this, and I printed some photos out from CVS, but you can also go to Walmart. They have like the, you know, quick prints that you can print straight off from your phone. And another favorite element on my desk is this diffuser. I got this from Marshall's, and I really like the design on it. It's really cool how you can see the lights through it and the design on it. I like to have it kind of hidden behind my photo album, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's basically blowing the smoke out of my essential oils. So I keep my essential oils right here. My favorite one is honestly lemongrass, but I have like lavender, rose. I think I have rose in there right now. Lemongrass, like I said, and then I have another one. I have like 6 of these. Spearmint. But I really love having my diffuser. It's like one of my new favorite things to do, especially at night, and just leaving it on when I go to class and then come back and smell the aroma. It's awesome. And then I also have my Bible over here, my laptop, my phone, and this little file organizer. And behind this photo frame I have my little pencils, pens, case, and I decided to put a quote inside of this picture frame. And then moving on to my nightstand, I am obsessed with this nightstand. So another cool thing that I mentioned in my move-in vlog is I didn't think I was going to have room for a nightstand. So I definitely had to go out and purchase one. But the coolest thing about it is, if you guys can see that, it has an outlet on the back. That is the coolest element of this nightstand. I love the pink marble finish with the gold metal frame. I always keep my keys right here, and this remote goes to my LED candles, which I'll show you guys later. I also have a quote in this picture frame next to my bed. And then I have this lamp, so just to show you guys how the lamp looks when it's on. So if you guys remember watching my college apartment haul, this was originally black. So what I did was obviously spray paint it. I wanted to have, you know, gold and brass tones in my color scheme this year. And if you guys can tell, I have a lot of white incorporated and less black. So with this theme, I decided to go with very feminine, bright white glam theme. And I really like it because it just opens up the room. It just feels so bright and energizing, and I really love that. And it feels a lot more mature as well. So my favorite part is this ombre, well, not ombre, it's just, you know, three-tone throw and this gold tray. So I did end up adding those little crystal studs on the ends of the handles. I have some faux flowers and this cute face that says y'all are gonna get this black girl magic today, a quote, and my LED candles. So my mom was really inspired to have this in my room, so I kind of like went with it. But the cool thing about it is you can drop some essential oils in there and it'll just, you know, give you that great aroma. And also cannot forget my headboard. This is also one of my favorite things about my room. I did want to go with something tufted and, you know, studded, but I love just the art of this headboard in particular. It's beige, it's just glam, mature. Like, I just love it. It's so cute. I also got that online. Definitely look at Wayfair. Wayfair has beautiful headboards. And then I have some beautiful little wall art over there. So if you guys can kind of tell throughout my room, I do have bling incorporated in the room, and that's just so me. So I was just glad that, you know, a lot of my artwork pieces pretty much had the same elements going on. And then if you guys also remember from my college haul, I talked about these chandeliers that I purchased from Amazon. I'm obsessed with this. Now granted, it's not supposed to be like this, but you know, me and my mom got really creative and we were able to kind of like pop it on the bulb, well, not the bulb, but like the outer shell of this ceiling fan light. Now normally you would think that it would interfere with the fan, but it doesn't. I've turned the fan on like twice and it's not on the actual fan, so it's totally fine. Even the wind of the fan doesn't affect it, so it's perfect. And moving on to my other favorite element of my room, which is my makeup desk area. I'm so excited to show you guys this as well because this mirror is everything. This is my Genesis mirror. I will link this in the description box below for you guys to purchase this. When I tell you this is the best bulb mirror that you can get, that is compact in size, it's fully functional. The coolest thing about it is it has speakers on the side. So I literally can play my music from it because it's Bluetooth. And just to show you guys how it works, I just turned it on by pressing this light button. Press it one more time. You get the first light setting. It has 3 light settings. This one is the bright white setting. And the cool thing about it is if you want to adjust the brightness, you just simply hold it down and it dims it, and then take your finger off, put it back on, hold it down, and boom, it brightens back up. The second one is my favorite one. This is like a natural light. It gives you like that Hollywood feel, and it's like warm. And I usually use this whenever I'm doing my makeup. And then the last one is like a super yellow, super duper warm setting. And then you click it again and it'll turn it off. And then to turn it off, you simply hold it down and boom, But this is the Bluetooth button. You just press that and you can connect it to your phone or whatever device is Bluetooth. And then these two buttons is to change the song. You just, you know, go like that. And then when you want to adjust the volume, you just hold down plus for louder and minus for lower. But I'm obsessed with this mirror. And it does, you know, adjust and move if you want it to. I'm not going to though. I just have it set like this. And then I went ahead and bought another one of these because I started to get like so many brushes. But yeah. And then of course you guys know my little makeup desk that I've had since freshman year. I had to add on to it because I didn't have room to basically put these brushes, simply because I have this gorgeous Genesis Vanity light, vanity mirror light. But I had to add on a storage bin. I got this from IKEA as well. Now originally it's supposed to line up to this, but I decided not to put the wheels on it because I just thought it looked cheap. I was thinking about adding some gold feet legs to it, but I think it looks great just like this. And now it gives me an excuse to add on to my collection basically. So yeah, plenty of storage room that I can use for my makeup desk. And I just kind of have my ring light sitting right here. Now I do have the bag under my desk that I can just, you know, move it out the way. And also this ottoman, you guys, this is one of my favorite elements as well. Honestly, every element is my favorite. I just really love how my room turned out. So that's my little bench to go to my makeup desk, the ottoman from the foot of the bed. And then moving on to the reason why I absolutely chose to live here. So another cool thing is I love how this crown sits over the bed, and whenever I take my pictures from here, it just gives me straight queen vibes. Like, it's just freaking amazing. And then the artwork of this mirror, this is why I chose this mirror last year, because it's just an eye catcher. It's beautiful. Next to it I have my bedazzled clock. If I'm quiet for a second, you guys maybe can hear the tick. And then I have this. So fun fact, if you guys watch my moving vlog, these two, well, it was three, these three were originally over here, but one of them fell in the middle of the night and broke when my mom was here, and then boom, we bought those. So it worked out perfect. I think this whole element right here came together. Originally this was going to be my nightstand, but we went to another store and we found that. So, you know, things just worked out perfectly. Just have little faux white roses on it. And then to show you guys my closet, this is the main reason why I chose to live in this apartment, because of this walk-in closet. So I wanted to stand back here to show you guys how deep it goes. So let me open the door a little bit more. And as an out-of-state student, this is absolutely perfect because now I literally can have all my clothes here. I did end up putting a chandelier up in the ceiling. I couldn't put it over the light because I just couldn't. So yeah, I have my winter clothes folded up in these baskets and storage ottoman. And then to walk in the closet, this is how it looks in the inside. Shout out to my mom for organizing my purses this way. Love you. And then boom, I do have a step stool in here because I am so short. And then I have all my shoes. And then over here I have this really cute little dressing table area. This is right over my actual dresser. I have my undergarments, pajamas, pants, and, you know, shorts, jeans, whatever, all of that in here. So I really like how this turned out. Originally these were over my makeup desk last year in my dorm, but I decided to put it over here. Have my shades, a little jewelry stand, and this cute little necklace holder as well. And then I have hair products and hair tools over here. And because we don't have a linen closet, I decided to put my towels and washcloths behind the door, basically. All my wigs and other packages, boom, right there. And then over the door, just some purses, hats, and belts, and my little ironing board. And now moving on to the restroom. This is how my bathroom looks. I love the little medicine cabinet. I decided to put all of my everyday essentials like my toothbrush, my face wash, my toner, deodorant, all of that is in here because I didn't want all of that to be out on the counter. I really like how you know, minimalist this looks, or minimal this looks, I should say. I didn't want, you know, a very busy counter. So I have like me a little candle over here. I have my Q-tips and makeup little swabs here. And I always keep me a little mirror in here. Some little artwork. Again, I did keep the same color scheme throughout the bathroom as well. So very bright white and gold, pink elements. I have me a little hamper for my linen. And this is how my shower curtain looks. Very simple and feminine. Also, can't forget about that desk chair. I forgot to show you guys that. This is one of my favorite items as well because it's just so cute. Like, it's so hard to find one of these really pretty crystal transparent chairs. And I purchased this online. And then I got this little, it's not a cushion. It was originally a rug, but I cut it up and made it into the little cushion to go over the chair. But that is pretty much my Glam sanctuary bedroom for college. Shout out to my parents and family for supporting me. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below any specific item that you would like to know where I purchased it from. I will hook you up with the link. But this is basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing to my channel. More videos to come, and stay tuned for that full apartment tour because now we have it fully decorated. But that is basically it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.